Hey loves, welcome back to my channel. Thank you so much for tuning in. If you are new here, welcome. My name is Zoriswa, and to officially join my YouTube family, please click on the subscribe button and also personalize the notification bell so that every time I post a new video you get notified. Today guys, as you can tell by the title and the thumbnail, I'll be unboxing and reviewing products from Himalaya. Woo, woo, woo. A round of applause please. I'll start by showing you the products and then I'll do the skin routine afterwards. So this is how the package looks inside. So I'll start with the Himalaya toothpaste, which is this one. Come on now, focus. Yes, there we go. So this is how it looks inside. Before we go any further, these products are available at Clicks stores and Dischem stores. I'm not sure about Dischem, but I'm gonna double check for you. The next product is Himalaya dark spot clearing. It's Himalaya dark spot clearing turmeric face wash. So then the next product is this product right here. It's the Himalaya dark spot clearing turmeric serum. This is how it looks without the box. Then the next one is this one. This is also a Himalaya dark spot clearing turmeric cream. This is how the cream looks outside the box. So yeah, the one is this one. This is the Himalaya dark spot clearing turmeric sheet mask. So at least it's these. It's joint and immunity, am I saying it right? It's joint and immunity wellness. So guys, I'm gonna start by cleansing my face using their cleanser. So let me first wet my face with cold water. I prefer using cold water. As I've said on the other video, I prefer cold water. So I'm gonna be using small quantity. So scrub my face using this. Now my face is thoroughly okay, so now I'm done cleansing my face with this. I'm moving on to this. So I'm gonna be using their face mask, and I'm gonna keep it on for how many minutes? What did they write? For 10 to 15 minutes. So I'm just gonna keep it on for 10 minutes because I know myself, I'm very impatient. I don't like waiting for far too long. So I'm gonna apply this for 10 minutes. So let's get it. Ooh, be careful around your eyes. I hope I don't miss out my edges. See, like, you don't have my makeup out now, which is the face. So we are going to go ahead and wait 10 to 15 minutes, but I doubt I'll wait for 15 minutes. I'll just wait for 10. So yeah, 15 minutes later. So I actually waited 15 minutes, guys. For a change, I held myself and I waited the amount of time the instructions stated. So it's time to remove the face mask. Okay, let me wash it off now. I need one for. So this is how my skin looks after the removing the face mask. Oh, child, I love it. And then now it's time to moisturize the face. So I'm gonna start by the serum. It's always wise to start with the serum because the serum is a lightweight and the skin can easily absorb the serum, and then you close it off with the cream. So always when you do your skincare routine, that is the tip I'm giving you guys. Start with, when you're moisturizing, start with the lightweight products and then close it off with like your cream, like your thick product. So your serum, it is wise to start with your serum before your cream. Once you put your cream, your skin won't be able to absorb this and you won't get the benefits of this. So start by this followed by the cream. So let's start by this. So this one said like 5 drops, right now. So let's go ahead and do that. Ooh. Okay, so this is how much I consuming. Yeah, when awuthanda ukufocus again, niyazazi ukuthi ngimuhle. Focus here. And then now we go ahead and put the serum. This is not supposed to touch your skin. The dropper is not supposed to touch your skin. Very gently moisturize. I'm telling you guys, if these products make an improvement in my skin, I'm definitely dumping the ones that I'm using currently and I'm going with these ones. So I'm going to be using them for like a month and see the results. If they're better than the ones that I'm currently using, I'm ditching the ones that I'm currently using and I'm starting a new journey with Himalaya. And then now we are going to moisturize our face with the cream. I forgot to show you how the products look inside. So this is how the cream looks inside. So I'm gonna go ahead and doop. I don't want to take too much. And then I like using one hand. My skin is so amazing, yo guys. So guys, I'm going to try these products for about a month and then see how my skin responds to these products. Oh, glowing sun. glowing kesan. And there we have it, guys. Thank you so much for tuning in. Please do not forget to give this video a huge beautiful thumbs up, and also let me know what you guys think of these products down in the comment section. And don't forget to check the description box for more information about these products. See you on the next coming one. Don't forget to stay beautiful, stay blessed, and most of all, don't forget to read the Bible, because it has a lot of information that you need to know. So please don't forget to read your Bible, and don't forget to respect others. Stay humble. I love you all. I'm gonna see you guys on the next coming one. Bye. Until next time.